Hello everyone, welcome to Villa Tech Tutorials YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss what is array, how to set values to the array, and also how to access array. And we will discuss methods in array. Okay, so the first one is what is array, right? What is array? So what is this array means? It's represent fixed number of variables for a particular thread. I will explain this statement. Okay, so in simple words we can say arrays are used to store used to store multiple values in single array, single variable. Okay, so what is this statement means? So instead of creating or declaring multiple instead of declaring multiple or separate variable for each values, we will create one single variable. Okay, so how means, let's say for example you have values 10, 20, 30 and 40. So you want to create variables, so we can create int this name. Okay, where you can give any name, number 1 equal to 20, like this. Can you can cursor here and do control D. So what we will do, you will create each time different, right? 30 and 40. So every time you are creating new variable using one data type. So for that, what we need to, instead of creating this many lines, we will create in one single array. So how to create that one? Int numbers equal to new int. So we just created an array and we are assigning size. Okay, here currently this is empty, it will accept three values. Okay, so when you use curly braces, I mean square brackets, that will consider as a array. So this is just identifier or variable. This is new, it will allocate memory for this object, and this is int array and it taking three values. Okay, now question is, we discussed, right, how to set values to the array. Here how to set, so it will start from index. So what we will do, we will take numbers. So actually we'll give one name values. Okay, instead of numbers it's confusing, right? Values. Okay, values. It will take index 0 index. It will start from arrays will start from 0 index. Okay, so that's why I'm giving 0 and I'm assigning value 1. Okay, now I want to know what is next one, out access array. Let me copy this one. Out access array. Now we can say console.writeLine and we can give this one. Now what it will be print? It will print 1 in output. Okay, for executing you can use shortcut control plus F5. Okay, control F5. Now I'm given. You can see it will print 1. So see, you can print 1. So rest are not printed. So we will see. So only one value we have printed. We have 3, right? So what we will do? We can do control D, control D. Okay. Now we can print here 1, 2. Okay. So only for one thing, one index we have assigned value. So remaining two we didn't assign values. So let's think what output we will get if you use control right line for another two indexes. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me explain. So by default, for number or integer, by default value is 0. When default value is 0, if you assign, it will consider that is 1 or 2 or 3 or something. If you assign the value to the array, then it will print. Okay, so now you got it right. By default, if you're not assigning any values to the array, then it will print 0. If you assign whatever value you assign, that value will print. If you assign means. Okay, let's execute. Control S, Control F5. You can see now for 0 index we have assigned value 1. Okay, so other two we didn't assign any value, so that's why it printed 0 0. Let's print, let's give on another values for this one. Okay, we can give control D instead of 0 1 2. Now what it will print? Okay, so this it will print. Now we values assigned for each index. First 0 index we have assigned, for first index we have assigned 1, for second index we have assigned 1. So if you print this one, output will be all will be 1. You can see for each one it was printed 1 1 1. So likewise we can use for strings and also booleans. For strings also we can string array, you can give any name, that is just name only, identifier and new string. If you want you can give the size. Okay, same thing, same way you can names. In 0 index you want to set 0, control D, and 1 2. So output will be still we didn't execute it, right? So you can copy. Okay, 1 2, like this we can work on strings as control F5. You can see 3 times it printed. If you miss this one, it will print I think null. Let's see, we will delete this one, null or empty I think. Control S and control F5. We didn't assign it any value for that one, so it was printed true only. Why? So actually it will print null. Okay, we will see in programmatically. So we will use one for each loop, and we will check that one. Okay, and another one is boolean. For boolean, you can give any name. That's flags equal to new bool 3 size 3, and we need to set flags 1 true. Okay, remaining we didn't added any values. So what it will print? Make control D, control D. Okay, now we created bool array, and that first index we have given true, remaining we didn't add it. So let me think how it will print. So actually it will print for assigned indexes, it will print true if you assign true or false. Then if you are not assigned, if you are not assigned, it will print false by default. Okay, let's see, control S and control F5. You can see, so for that first one we assigned value true, you can see true, and remaining two we didn't assign, so that's why it's printed false. Okay, let's see how many ways we can declare array and initialize arrays. So we created array, right? So we can take again. So int array num equal to, we can directly initialize here. Okay, instead of creating like that, we can directly initialize values. So we can give 2 4 1 5 3 7 9 5 8 like this. We can also initialize this one also, it will work perfectly, and also this one also it will be fine. Int array num1 equal to new n3, sorry, yeah, this one also will fine. Control Z, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma, so anything is fine like this. Okay, oh actually size is 3, we created multiple, so let me clear. Yeah, see, everything is fine. So I'm comfortable with first one, so I'm deleting this one. So okay, I will comment this one for your reference. Okay, so we have some methods in array. Okay, we need to take how to work on that one. Okay, mm, let's say we have length property. Length property, how to work on that one length. So what is the length for this one? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8, right? So it will print 8. Let's see, console write line, length of the array is num dot length. That's it. So what it will print? Okay, we will separate this one. Okay, now it will print 8 in the console. Let's see, control F5. Yeah, you can see the length of the array is 8. Okay, if you want you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yeah, 8 is there. Now we will see index. Index of the array. Okay, now we can say array dot. So here is method started, array methods. Okay, now we need to print index of, okay, we will take 5. So we will print what is the index of 5. Okay, array dot index, index of. So here you can see array. Array means what? Num, comma, what is the value? 7. 7 we can give. That's it. Okay, we will assign to one int index. Now we will print in output. Okay, console dot write line, the index of 7 is index. So now it will print what is, it will start from 0, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5. I think 5 it will print in output. Let's see, control S, control F5. You can see the index of 7 is 5. It's worked perfectly. We can give one like this, control S, control F5. It's fine. Now we will see one sort. Sort also one method in array. Okay, for that array dot sort. That's it. It's very simple, and we can give the array name. So whatever we have created array, that array name we can give. So what we need to, we need to iterate each time, right? Let me effects after sorting the order. Okay, let's see. One, we will take one for each loop, not flags, num. Okay, so it, in this array it will, each time it will iterate. Okay, we will, each time it will iterate and it will print. Okay, let's see. Clear, right? So this is array. In this array it will pick one item and iterate like that until how many? 8. Okay, let's see. Control S, Control F5. We can see it was sorted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7, 8. It was sorted. Now we will reverse this one. Reverse method. How to reverse? Simple. Array dot reverse. We can see reverse. What we need to reverse? That array. Whatever that array we need to, this array we need to reverse. Again we will use same loop. What this will do? It will, this is array. In this array it will pick one number and it will check. Like this we will iterate each time. Let's see. Control S. Okay, we will give after reversing the array. Okay, Control S, Control F5. You can see this is before, after sorting. This is after reversing the array. So it was printed. See, you can check, compare with the first one, sorting one and reversing one. Okay, we got expected output, and also we have copy method. Copy method. How to copy? Simple. Array dot copy. What we need to copy? See here it was. Here you can see. You can observe. It is required source array and destination array and length. So there are another overriding methods also. You can follow whatever you want. So first one is comfortable. So I am using this one. So source array. Source array is what? Num. Destination array we don't know. So let me create one. Int array destination. This is just identification. Okay, you can give any name, not only destination. New int 3. So what I have created size with 3. So I will give destination array here. Destination, and what required? Length. Length is how many length? 3. Okay. Now we can give console dot line after copy method. So what this method will do? It will copy three values from source array, original array. Okay, let's see. Simple, we can copy this again. Control S, Control. Oh no, sorry. So here we need to iterate which one? Destination array. Okay, destination array. Okay, just is same. So again, it will print. It will take each number and print. Okay, Control X, Control F5. Okay, you can see it was taken sort 875. Maybe we reversed the array, right? So that's why it's taken from first. Okay, what else we have? We have one more method. Clear. Clear method we have. Same array dot clear. You can see it was suggesting either you can clear all array, or you can see some you can click this one, or else you can select the index and clear. Okay, let's see. Array is my, I will take original array, and index is starting from 0 and until length is 2. Okay, let me copy this again for each loop. This method will clear first, I mean 0 indexes will start from 0, right? So it will 0 1 2 3 values it will clear. Console dot line after clear method. Control S, Control F5. After clear method we can see 0 1. Why it was taken? Actually we have given how many? 2, right? That means 0 1 2. Hmm. Something wrong. Let me check. Number only, index 2. Okay, let me add it in. Let me add in starting. What output we will get, we will see. Length index. Okay, after length we will do. Where is this length? Property index methods we will start it, right? Okay, after length, Control V, Control S, Control F5. After clear method, only 2. Why? Control C, copy. We paste it here only. 0, 2. In the number, it will start from 0 and 2. Let me execute again. Control S, Control F5. It is clear, true. 0 1 2. Okay, consider it will start from 0, indexes from 0 1 2. 0 1 2, where is 2 missing? Okay, actually it will clear. Maybe something is wrong. What wrong to clear method? Okay, we will see. We can use directly instead of this one. Control S, Control F5. It will clear all item. So it was clear. It is fine. If you use clear method, okay. Int array num, okay. Comma, we can say int index. It will start from 0 and int length is 3. Let's see what will be clear. Control F5. Yeah, this time it's worked for fine. Fine. So this clear to 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And here you observe one thing. So here we directly used array dot methods where it is array dot sort and array dot index. So these all are array methods from these all are static methods. So this array is class. In this class we have static methods. Okay, that's why we are using here. Yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you.